Jared Hyder and Luka Tarlach. Jessup across the floor. This is the freshman from Slovenia, Peter Bandelj, slithering inside for two.
And of course, Tarlach is not a guy that is going to finish it.
This was the Bandelj finish moments ago.
Persistence of adding 20 pounds in the offseason. Goma, a guy that is going to influence the WCC next year and the WAC here.
Price still shooting with confidence, and that's a 16 minutes. Here comes Bandelj. Down the lane and off the glass for two.
I'll tell you what, his timing and rhythm and understanding of when to go put pressure on the other team, this freshman, not through the whistle, is something that a college kid has just got to do. Get up, pick it back up, and find your pieces and not allow layups. Big one here.
It's a bullseye for Jared. Lead change. Here's the long three from Hyder. He will not hesitate, especially when you give him that much space. Prep school in Canada, has played on the Slovenian under-18 national team, and he looks up to NBA All-Stars. Maldonado trying to find space, walled off by Bandelj, loses the handle, it's on the floor, Bandelj picks it up.
Center it.
The freshman takes it to the goal and it rolls in.
He's got great timing with that right hand. Sometimes it's